Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running MeshCentral, a remote management utility, in Docker. To get started, connect to the device where we're going to install Docker. We'll start by installing a few prerequisite packages required to run Docker. Then we'll add the Docker gnupg key and apt repository. Followed by apt-install to install Docker, Docker Compose, and Containerd. With the Docker packages installed, we'll make sure the Docker service is started and enabled. Add the current user to the Docker group, then re-authenticate the current user for the group change to take effect. We're now ready to start running containers. We'll start by creating a working directory structure for our containers to use for persistent data, and set ownership on the working directories we just created. We'll create a new Docker network called containers. Then using the Docker run command, we'll create a MongoDB container, followed by a second Docker run command to create the MeshCentral container. Make sure to update the hostname in this command before executing it. Now we'll update the MeshCentral config file to allow new accounts to be created. Then using Docker restart, we'll restart the MeshCentral container. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the Docker host, :8086 over HTTPS. Proceed through the SSL warning. Click the Create link to create a new account. Then complete the form by entering a username, email, and password. Welcome to MeshCentral, running containerized in Docker.